Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 959 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be able to try out another Fenty Beauty product, and I got this in my September 2020 BoxyCharm Luxe box. I was so excited to get this and I got it in beautiful shades. So this is the Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo that I got in the shades Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. So I'll have in the description down below my BoxyCharm Luxe unboxing for the month of September if you want to see all of the products I got and all of the products I'm going to be trying out in my upcoming videos. I just love the packaging on the Fenty Beauty products. They feel and look so luxurious, and they should, because this is kind of pricey. It retails for $36. So let me go ahead and show you the shades that I got. And oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And there's a mirror on the packaging as well. But I was looking this up online and this does come in a bunch of different shades. I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches first. Oh my gosh. The texture of these is so buttery. Oh my gosh, I love that color. Of course, I love a purpley pink shade. Oh my gosh, and then this beautiful golden orange. I love the metallic sheen, and they have that kind of stickier texture, if that makes any sense. Like if you've swatched a powder before and it's kind of a little sticky when you run your fingers down, but that kind of makes it stick better to the skin and be longer lasting. So here you can see what those swatches looked like. So I'm definitely excited to try these out on my eyes. I think they are beautiful eyeshadow shades, but I want to try and get some use of them on my face as well. So I'm picking up a little fluffy brush, and I kind of want to pick up both shades and see how they look on my cheeks. Yeah, because I thought if I mix the two together, I could get a pretty wearable blush shade. And if you just apply it with a fluffy brush like this, it doesn't show up too pigmented at all. So it just kind of adds some nice glow to my face. I'm so excited. Like, it actually doesn't really show up that much. It's actually very wearable on my cheeks as a blush. I feel like it's a little hard to tell what the combination actually looks like on my cheeks where I applied it, because I just have some natural redness to my cheeks anyways. So I'm going to take a little bit, mixing them together like that. I'm just going to apply it to my hand so then I can really see. Yeah, it does kind of show up as a little bit of like a reddish orange shade. It's a little hard to see, but it does have some glow and it looks really smooth on the skin. Doesn't look powdery at all. So yay, I'm glad that I'll be able to use this on my face as well, because first impression, the shades are a little intimidating for wearing on my face, but I could do it. Like, I'm gonna go ahead, just because I'm just having fun trying these products out, and see how these highlighters look. So I'm taking the gold one, and let's see how that is. I mean, it's got such good pigment to it that it does show up yellowy on the skin. So I don't think I would wear a yellow highlighter all that often. But then the pink purple shade, so fun. But also definitely shows up the true color. So for me, it just kind of looks a little bit more like festive makeup. But I had to try it. But for the fun of it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to my eyelid as well. You know, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm doing a really crazy look right now, but I'm just playing around and seeing how this product performs. And I love the formula of it, and I love the colors. It has good pigment. It's not super fully opaque, like it does have some sheerness to it, even applying a lot of it and using my finger. But it's a highlighter, so it doesn't have to be like completely pigmented opaque. This yellowy shade on my eyes makes me feel inspired to do a sunset eyeshadow look and have this be the golden sun shade. And then let's see how the pink one looks. Well, this shade is so beautiful. This is just like one of my favorite colors in life. Like I love a pink, purple, magenta shade, and then when it's shimmery and metallic, even better. So this is an eyeshadow shade that I want to wear all the time. I even like how it looks just alone on my eye right now. I know that's kind of maybe like a little 90s style eyeshadow, just wearing a purple pink all over my lid like this, but I like it. But realistically, I would probably use some other colors with this purple. I feel like this would be like a warm tone eyeshadow look, and this side would be more of a cool tone. I know I did not do a very, I guess, serious, realistic makeup look from this product, but when I'm given this gorgeous, colorful highlighter, how can I not play around with it and just apply it everywhere? So fun, and it's so pretty. But just getting a little bit more technical, let me review the formula. Okay, like it's not settling into any creases on my eyelid, and I have a lot of lines in my eyelid, so it's a beautiful eyeshadow formula. It's really beautiful on the skin. I love how smooth it is. It actually kind of is a matte texture. Like it doesn't have that much shimmer noticeable on my face. Like it doesn't have glitter really. So that's interesting for a highlighter, that it wouldn't have super shimmery sheen to it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any favorite uses or ideas that you could give me on ways to use these colors, using them as highlighters or just other uses for them. I'd love to get your creative ideas. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.